Welcome to the EC-CAD pipe training. In this session, we're going to cover the editing of parts in the pipe routings. In this, we've gone ahead and we've drawn some pipe in, and we've used, in the last session, we showed how to morph an elbow into a T. But when you go to add a fitting, you can always pull it from your properties palette by going pipe fitting, and go over here and click on the picture and navigate to where that fitting lives. So you can refine your search here by saying I want to look for an elbow. Now I'm in the elbows here and I can navigate through here to get that. Another good way to add an item in here is, let's say we want to add an additional T in here. I can come right in here and I can just touch on my T, and from that I can right click in my screen and say add selected. That's going to put that T right on my cursor, so now I'm able to come in here and put that T onto a line wherever I choose. I'm going to go ahead and just put that T onto this line right here, and now I have the ability to rotate that T, or to just type in an angle. In this case, I'm going to type in 0 for the angle and enter, and that's placed that fitting for me. Well, what if I wanted to move that fitting or rotate that fitting? I have the ability now to come back into my 3D view over here, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to click this down. I'm going to go ahead and click onto the fitting. And now I want you to notice the series of grips that are on it. The rectangles are move grips. The arrows are flip grips. So if I wanted to flip this fitting over to the other side, I can use the flip grip to do that by just clicking that. If I want to flip it at a 90-degree angle, I can hold the control key down and then select that. And now you see it went at a 90-degree angle instead of a 180. There's another grip in here, however, that's the diamond shape. You can click onto that, and that's your rotate grip. So now you can rotate that fitting anywhere around this line you choose, and you can do that by simply typing in the degree. So if I want to go with a 45-degree angle, I'm just going to type in 45, and that took that fitting into a 45-degree angle. If you wanted to continue drawing off of that, you can grab your grip. Just say you want to come out of that at that angle. Or now you want to come out here to a certain point and you want to go at a different, so you can just click that down and say now I want to go and I want to turn the slope off of that to 0. And now I can just go ahead and start running this straight out in my model. And I can do it in either window I choose. So if I slip over here to my plan view, go ahead and place that down. Now we go ahead and hit enter. And now when we take this back to our left view, you're going to see here that we took that at a 45 and then straightened it back out. And that's how you can use your grips to help manipulate your fittings and place fittings after the fact.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist, or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.